thing boosted would be sick. He's gonna like it. He's taking the title back. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you guys clicking on today's video. Today, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how it's gonna go. We're about to drive 2 hours with the S550 out here to Leadfoot City. It's like a new 8th mile, they call it like automotive theme park. I'm not sure, it's like 8th mile track, go-karting, burnout, pit, drifting. They got a lot of stuff. Looks super fun. I've never been out there, and my little brother's actually coming into town with the S650 that he just threw a bunch of crazy mods on. He's got like a forged carbon hood, forged carbon GTD style fenders, and he wants to show me in person. Drove 8 hours to show me this. So we're gonna pull up in our full bolt-on Stang, and he's gonna be in his full bolt-on Stang. Maybe we can get a couple runs in, see what's faster, our S550 or his S650, but either way, we're gonna pull up to this track, see what it's all about. I'll get a little bit more seat time in the S550 here. Again, this is not staying for me. I got this to, just to be quite honest, to give away. We haven't gotten to the point of giving it away. I've done a couple modifications to it. I'll show you guys real quick. We should be giving it away here soon, but I'm not in a crazy rush. I wanna kind of see things logistically. This is a test before I give away my Z06 back there. So I'm just kind of making sure everything works logistically with Moxie and all that stuff. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. We'll quickly go over what I've done to the S550. Again, 2015 S550. What I did was re-clear coat the carbon fiber mirror caps. You may remember from previous videos, these were just straight torn. They were clouded. It was horrible. As far as the wing, it had an Anderson Composites wing, but it was also just in the worst condition ever. I tried to re-clear it, did not work, but we got like this MP Concepts V style wing. Looks fantastic. I actually like the way that it looks more than the carbon one. If it was carbon, it would be a plus, but this thing is starting to look pretty nasty. On top of that, we also got on the interior a carbon fiber steering wheel. Pretty basic, carbon everywhere, black Alcantara, black stitching, super cool. Chris actually picked this up from TX2K. Really like it, super easy install. I'm very excited to see who gets this. It's not, again, no Lamborghini crazy giveaway. It's just pretty basic full bolts on 2015 Mustang GT to see who gets it. But now I gotta see how it does on a 2-hour drive. Get a quick warm start. Pretty quiet. It's not that quiet, I promise. It's loud. Borla exhaust sounds nuts. Only under load. You can kind of tone it down whenever you're just driving around, so it's nice. When you want it to be loud, it's loud. When you don't want it to be loud, it's not that loud. You guys just have to sit here for 2 seconds. I need to drive for 2 hours. Let's go meet up with Harry, see what he's done with the S650, and see what goes on down at Leadfoot, and then tomorrow, we'll see what Harry and I get into. All right, made it to Leadfoot. What Harry did to the S650. Bro got GTD fenders, forged carbon, painted everything but the vents, and then got carbon fiber hood as well. Looks pretty crazy. We're about to put it in this car show that they have here. It's my first time here, so I'm not sure how to do things, but we'll see if we can win. All right, gotta let Daddy drive it into the car show. Daddy still pays for it. You been putting your balding cream in?
No, I got sponsored. I've been stepping my game up.
All right, it's gonna be between this S650 and this one. I thought we had a chance until I saw that bro is on Bellix and it's Whipple supercharged. So depending on our judge, we may lose this one. All right, just got done at Leadfoot. Pretty cool spot. I'm trying to scope out a place to like host an event. You guys have not heard about it yet. I can't talk about it until it's official, but pretty good spot. There's a lot to do. They got drag racing, like drift carts, burnout pit, drifting. Like they got a good bit of things, so pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna try and reach out to like management there and talk about their rates or whatever. They didn't actually have a car show though. There was no winner, so I don't know who won. I'm excited to see all that forged carbon tomorrow in the sunlight, but for now, we have another hour and 57 minutes until we're home. R.I.P. See y'all in the morning.
The next day.
Next morning, fellas, we got this thing out in the sunlight. Time to check out this forged carbon car.
Fenders are completely forged. It's exposed.
That is
Then you have the entire hood.
This thing boosted would be sick. Gotta prove it. Gotta prove it's double-sided. How much weight did you lose from it?
Not sure. I know I lost like 6 pounds with the fenders.
6 pounds with the fenders, 3 grand, 6 pounds?
Don't know.
3 grand for 6 pounds when you could have spent like 10 grand for 10 pounds of boost.
Yup. And there you go. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, that's what about $4,000 in forged carbon looks like. Also has a dark horse wing, full forged carbon, same thing. I think that is going to tie in perfectly. If you haven't already seen the steering wheel, he also did forged carbon. Bro's got a show car. We need some boost on this thing. On top of that, he's got a bronze Forge Star D5 beadlock drag pack that he got color matched bronze with these wheels. Oh, you took your badges off. You put them back on?
I haven't decided.
You're gonna look like an EcoBoost. You had the bronze 5.0 badge.
The guy actually asked me at the gas station on the way down here. He was like, they don't make these in 5.0s anymore. And I was like, no.
The bronze pony up front. Do they have forged carbon front splitters?
That's a different company.
Forged carbon splitter, forged carbon side skirts. Gonna tie it all together. Pretty hot. W-shirt, moxieperformance.com. All of your detailing needs, ladies and gentlemen. Ships from right here in Sanford, Florida. W-Addery, W-Addery. Gotta let us know what you think in the comments. I know there's a lot of people 50-50 on Fords. They just like, you know, your typical weave. So this is definitely a little bit different, but hey, different sticks out, and that's what the kid wanted. I love the fenders. Did not think I was gonna, but I like them. With the dark horse wing, gonna be minty. Sounds pretty good too. Stock mufflers, just Cook's long tube headers, D to H pipe, back to just stock active mufflers. Sounds pretty good. Imagine it with whoosh, whoosh. If you guys didn't know, that is actually the first S650 in the world that ever got twin turbos. Whenever I gave him the car, ended up selling the twin turbos to my other buddy because I didn't want him to have, you know, his first actual car with twin turbos. I did not want to be in charge of him going into a tree. That was the first car with twin turbos, and I think it's only right if we go back with more boost. They just unlocked tuning for those cars. I bought it 2 years ago, waiting for the tuning. After a year or so of content, I kind of ran out, ended up giving it to him, and now he gets to do the content. So I am not, for those asking, I am not getting another one. I am passing the torch. This should be fun. So you guys know our boy Fred, how we just did our fresh LS swap with him. This is my grandfather's truck, which is also his grandfather's truck. So we're gonna get Harry's first reaction to hearing this thing with an LS swap and see if he thinks that our grandmother will approve when I bring this thing back home. Ready? All right. Gonna like it?
He's taking the title back.
Do you think she's gonna like it?
No.
Love it.
Sounds like a Pro Mod.
Final thoughts.
I like it.
I think the rest of the family's gonna like it.
Grand's not gonna like it. The rest of our family probably glad to see it running, but they're not gonna like it either.
Same thing with the R8. He also has not heard it with the new Valvetronic exhaust, so I'm gonna let him hear this thing too.
Tuning the Mustang if I can make it do that.
Thoughts on that one?
That's very, very loud.
Louder than last time you heard it?
Definitely louder. More obnoxious than I have a feeling Dad wouldn't like that one.
You don't think Dad would like that?
For some reason, no.
Dang, man, we've been in every single car today. We're currently in Roach, my C650. Harry and I are on our way to a car meet. I did not even know they were having. It was the same one that I brought Fred and the Corvette to. And Harry's car is, you know, more for car shows, not the drag strip, because it's all it's really got right now is looks. Maybe boost eventually, but right now it's all looks. So I'm gonna clean up Roach real quick at our warehouse, and then I guess we're gonna pull up. John's already there, Cloud Stang, so we're gonna pull up to this car meet, see what it's all about. Apparently it's packed, which surprises me because it's very, very not good outside. It just got done raining. All right, just gave this thing a quick wash with the Moxie Cherry Burst. I don't think Harry's gonna wash his. Luckily it's a white car and they don't look super dirty. His car still looks insanely clean. So gonna dry this thing off, head to the meet. John, you riding with one of us or you riding in the F-150?
Can I ride one of you?
I'll allow it. How packed is it, John?
It was pretty packed. Why are you so dark?
Bro, they have a dyno here.
I want to go to the dyno.
I do too.
That's the third cheese I've heard.
A Burnout?
Yeah!
They have a Burnout comp?
Burnout or dyno?
Huh?
Is it a dyno or a Burnout?
It's a Burnout. It's on the what do you call it? A trailer.
I thought it was a dyno. I can't do no Burnout, not on these tires. I'm not about to cook my radials.
I think it is a dyno. I've never
seen them.
I
Yo,
think
it's the Burnout trailer.
Yeah. I like the wrap on that one. Well, I guess it is a Burnout trailer. What in the world?
I am not doing that. Can we park right here? Like, yeah, just run these people over. Crank it loose. Actually, I apologize to that guy for roasting him, saying it was a Burnout trailer.
I've never seen that before.
What's up?
Good seeing you again. That's crazy.
I've never seen that before. A Burnout trailer.
It's interesting. That was gonna be a dyno.
I thought it was a dyno.
It is. That's the dyno over there.
Motorcycle dyno.
Yeah, it's a motorcycle dyno.
They had a car dyno. What's up? How you doing?
Hey, I was wondering if I get a picture real quick. Yeah. I appreciate it, man. I watch you all the time, and I'm like, dude, I need to see that. When I first seen Roads, bro, that was like, I had always wanted a Corvette, but that was like, I need to do that.
Sold you?
Yeah. I started watching you when you had stangry.
Harry, whip it out. Whip it out for the white speaker.
Hey, is this us?
You better hope not.
How much you lucky that you, man?
If I was playing neighbors.
There's not enough people running around for my comfort. Bro has to have so much money.
No more revving! The cops will come in here and start handing out tickets.
Last second save, bro. I was like, wait.
That guy just mauled you. You're really not even gonna do it?
Huh?
You're really not gonna do it?
He literally.
That guy still just mauled you.
Okay, well that's the owner of the place. I know him.
That's like spitting in his face.
I was gonna do it, but I'm not about to get kicked out. The owner was standing right in front, not happy. $20? 20 bucks? I'll just start pissing on both of the cups. I will do that. I'll shake your hand too.
I'll hold it while you pee.
Damn, this cop is not happy. Verbal warning. Give him a verbal warning. Let them do a burnout till their car catches on fire, but if they hit the trans brake, kick their ass out of here. Oh, 2 of them now.
You got 3 people over there stripping the high ramp on the show right now.
They can take it. Oh, he is so mad. Oh, you getting a ticket. Damn. 4 cops for a guy revving. A warning? Yeah! That guy's revving. Get him. Get him. Get him. That guy just revved his car. All right. We're going to leave and not rev while we leave.
Well, that was eventful. Should I hang on the limiter real quick? Should I hang on the limiter?
You gotta give him one before you go.
Bro, I haven't even left yet.
Don't stall my car. 5,000 RPMs. It ain't gonna go in a second. Oh, it went in a second.
Yeah, that triple disc clutch ain't easy.
What dude, how did you like it?
I had it I had it, and then at the very end, I messed it up.
Did you enjoy it?
I very much enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. Take this back, man. I don't like Chevys. Mustangs, you don't stall in a Mustang. This thing's scary.
Well, fellas, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video with Harry's S650 and all of his new forged carbon fiber. I will say the TikTok comments were kind of 50-50 on the forged. How does it make you feel?
Color's your S650.
Damn.
I don't even own this one, dude.
Next video, we're gonna go get this thing dyno tuned on 93 and E85, see whichever, you know, makes more. If it makes more, like significantly more on E85, he'll probably keep it like that. If not, just leave it on 93 because he drives it a lot. There's not E85 stations everywhere in Georgia where this thing resides. That is gonna be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.